moist.
Yeah, I'd love to work with you on the price.
No, I mean it's stuffy. Someone should probably open a window.
No way, it's freezing outside. Do you know what it costs to heat this place?
Well, it's awful in here, Dwight. You need to do something about it. You're the building manager.
What do you want me to do? Right now, I'm just a salesman. But if I wanted to change anything, I'd have to call the new building owner.
How's it going, man?
It's going good. I'm researching this DOAS system, and it looks really nice. It mixes outdoor and indoor air evenly and distributes it to each room.
Well, if we get that, when am I going to blame my sick days on?
No, really, it only regulates moisture, but can greatly reduce overall energy use.
Well, actually, Pam, if you knew anything, you would know that the initial cost and installation cost way too much. So unless you're willing to pay for it, I'm not doing anything.
Who's the building owner?
I am.
I'm the building inspector. This is saturate 62.1. Codes say that you have to have 20 to 70% outdoor air. You need to update your system.
Looks like someone got an anonymous tip.